I'm about to do that, pull the car out, and hopefully either later on today or either tomorrow, we'll be able to get her down to the store, drive her out, you know what I'm saying, drive her around, and you know, make sure everything is everything, man. I'm nervous. I said, hey, yo, this your boy Tulu, man, back with another video, man. How y'all doing today? How y'all doing? That's what's up. That's what's up. Let me hear it. Let me hear it. Oh, man. Hey, keep growing, keep grinding, keep doing your thing. You know what I'm saying? Keep being a motivation for others, you know what I'm saying? And if everything ain't going right for you right now, you already know how I say, hey, look, just wait 5, 10, 15 minutes tomorrow. Shoot, next week. You could definitely be in a better situation. So, hey, look, chin up, keep trucking, man. Hey, all right, here we go, y'all. I ain't even gonna lie, procrastinating all morning. I even re-burped the system. Make sure we got all the air out of it and everything. Yeah, y'all see she out, man. Y'all see she out. I've been testing her all yesterday. I didn't get to drive her down the road yesterday, but I drove her around the yard, try to make sure everything was everything. We did get a boot on that back. If y'all remember what I was talking about in that other video, we did get a boot on that back spark plug wire. That was one of the concerning things. Got everything pretty much tightened up, out of the way from harm, you know what I'm saying. Threw some air in the tires just now. So what we about to do, we need some gas in the car. I don't want to go get no gas jug. I don't want to, you know, bring some gas back to the car. So we got to take the car to the gas. So y'all know I'm nervous, man. Everything that y'all seen me doing, man, everything that y'all see me do, it's my first time ever doing it. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not a mechanic. I'm not the smartest guy in the world. You know what I'm saying? So we about to go ahead and make this first test drive, man. I still got to calibrate some things, but we ain't gonna worry about that now. We're just gonna worry about some gas. So yeah, y'all see I got my fire extinguisher, I got some tools in case we need anything, you know what I'm saying? So all right, man, let me button everything up and we will get on the road, man. Let's go. set the RPMs up either. I ain't even, that was my last thing I'm worried about. We'll bother those when we get back. Dropped all the way down on us. We're just gonna go straight to the stove, y'all. Oil pressure went up. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Oh, on the road though. Everything is like, I don't know. Fuel is bouncing around. All bouncing around like, ugh. I just made that sound. Oh, I'm tripping, y'all. I'm tripping. She definitely ain't been living. Hey, you definitely tell she need a damn tune, man. You definitely tell she need a tune. Happened to it. At least we right here at my homeboy shop right here. Alright man, let's go grab some gas and we gonna come right back, G. Alright y'all, we made it back to the house, man. For those of you know what I'm saying, we just did a little live, so most of y'all was there for it. Like literally I just ended the live, took the battery thing off. Man, hey, she did good, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, she definitely needs a tune. She definitely needs a tune, like for real. She definitely needs a tune. But everything seems to be working out, like fans coming on, gauges are reading correctly, as like I said they can, you know what I'm saying? But hey, I think we on I'm gonna let it cool down for a minute and then we're gonna jump in trying to do this calibration, trying to calibrate this cluster while it's cool. I'm gonna give her a little shower, you know what I'm saying? She's been sitting back there getting dirty, sheesh, just getting dirty. So we about to clean her up, you know what I'm saying? And we might take her to the kids soccer practice today, you know what I'm saying? This is what we might drive to soccer practice today. So hey, fingers crossed. But like I said, I'm gonna just rinse her off real quick and we're gonna get into doing some calibrations, man. All right, y'all. And we had some rain, had to put the car back under the little carport, man. So now, like I said, we're gonna do the adjust the RPMs on the car, right? So I was reading over it and everything, so we're gonna try to go through the little what it tells us to do. Okay, we're gonna start the car. That was nice. Alright, shut the car off and then put it in auxiliary mode. Now see, that's the thing, it don't tell you which one of these little tabs down there to do, so we just gonna click on one. Guess I'm gonna start with the one I got labeled number 1 to see if it's gonna change. Okay, hold on, what did that just change? Nothing. Oh no, That was supposed to go back to. Oh, all right. So it says 1. I don't know. And then. Okay, that one was the time. Hold on. What? I don't get what it's doing. All right, that's the time. That's 2. Okay, I think 3 was the one that was changing this. Oh man, I don't know. All right, and then it says, I guess gotta. Still doing the same thing. It's kind of crazy. All right, switch it off. And then go into auxiliary mode. Like that was supposed to change. That's the clock. I don't know. It's like it's not changing or doing that when I'm. Alright, see that changes. I don't. Put it on 1. When auxiliary mode setting, we'll scroll. Alright, I ain't gonna bore y'all with this. I'm try to go over this and get this figured out, and then we'll come right back, man. Let's do it. Alright, y'all, so I ended up having to call the tech support for Intellitronix. I was sitting there trying to go through the menu and everything like that, and I spoke with the people from Intellitronix. Now, they did send me a resistor when they sent me the adapters, but now I can't find the resistor nowhere. So my boy Matt is gonna be sending me a new resistor out, so I guess we're gonna have to wait on that. Man, I'm getting tired of ending my videos like that. I mean, even though we did get a win, you know what I'm saying, everything is pretty much working right, you know what I'm saying. And I'm just planning on what I'm about to do next. Like I said, I cleaned up some wires. We got our wire loom, and the next thing I think I'm gonna go ahead and do is go ahead and get that heater box out. Yeah, just so we can start getting everything in here pretty much lined out, man. Yeah, that's that. So if you don't do nothing, man, believe in yourself. Even though you don't know something, failure is better than not trying. You know what I'm saying? Failure is better than not trying. Even though, you know, we've had some miscues and everything, you know what I'm saying? Hey, we're gonna keep our chin up. We're gonna keep trucking, because guess what? At the end of the day, we're gonna get it figured out, man. I truly appreciate each and every single one of y'all support, man. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment, you know what I'm saying? Let your boy know what you think about the build. If you got any suggestions for me, make sure you leave it down in the comments. But man, until next time, I appreciate each and every single one of y'all, man. Hey, salute, salute, salute.